Cece. All right, we are leaving in 1 week to Spain, and it is just before the election. Just trying to keep my cool and not put all of my hopes and dreams into the Democratic win. It's difficult, but you know, you got to keep your expectations low. Isn't that what they say about the happiest countries on earth? They have the lowest expectations. Yeah, I think there's something to it. If you compare Spain and the US, neither are doing very well with COVID. So I'd say that we are making a lateral move at best. In the US, it's an average of 75,000 cases per day versus Spain, which is 18,000 cases per day. But in Catalonia, it's 62 cases per 100,000, which is nearly 6 times the cases in Portland. So we are going into the fire. On Sunday, October 25th, Spain declared a national state of emergency that includes an overnight curfew between 11 p.m. and 6 a.m. with exceptions for commuting to work, buying medicine, or caring for the elderly, and will likely remain in place for 6 months. They are not calling for a lockdown like early on in the pandemic, though, and are requesting instead for residents to shelter in place, which is hard for Spaniards who love to party, but will not be hard for two non-partying Americans who eat dinner at 6 and go to bed at 10:30. We'll self-quarantine for 14 days when we get there, but I mean, who really knows what the whole month of November might look like, or even December. I mean, it could just be very quiet. Not a whole lot different than what we're doing here in Portland, but we know fewer people there, so it really will be my husband and I trying to entertain each other. So anyway, next time I talk with you, it'll probably be in the airport about the travel. So talk to you soon. Don't forget, like and subscribe to this channel. See ya.